What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be feeding my veggies. Yes, they need a little something to munch on, a little yum yum, yes. So I'm putting it into a scoop. Well, wait, I thought I was feeding my veggies, but it was a wasp literally right there staring at me. I looked up at the fence. There at the top of the fence was an even bigger. I don't know if this was a monster wasp, a mama wasp. I know they have like the mama bee, the mama ant, all that type of stuff, but I ain't never seen no mama wasp. When I tell you this wasp was so big. So then I seen another one in the grass over there. So I went and I got my spray. I don't know if you can hear me start spraying it, nothing came out. So I literally was like contemplating my life. I had to literally grab my equipment and just take off running. Whoop, 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 whoop. There I go. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ran inside. Yes, in the house. Now, once I got inside, I said, you know what? I got some for them wasps. Put some peppermint, some lemongrass, and a little bit of this essential oil, this sweet orange aromatherapy. Sprayed it down real quick. Sprayed my fences. Sprayed the tarp. Sprayed everything. And bam. They ran away. They left me alone. All right. So I put the compost, I moved my wood chips a little bit out the way, put the compost in there close to the actual soil, on top of the soil, like, and then I'm going through right now and watering it. Unfortunately, I thought I was recording, but I was still on my little scary, I wasn't thinking straight. I thought I pressed record, but I didn't. So unfortunately, y'all didn't get a chance to see me put it inside of there, but all I did was move the mulch to the side, put the little food in there, the pellets, and then I watered right on top of where I put the food, and then I'm going to go back in and re-mulch that area. So here I'm just going through, obviously, with the water. Right here, I have my seedlings, and one of my seedlings, it is an older seedling. It is a bell pepper plant. So I did put a little fertilizer on that one as well because it's about 2 weeks old. And yeah, I'm getting ready to transplant. I actually already have the pot ready. It's in the garage. I already put it together. I was going to grab it this morning, but it was a huge spider sitting right there in the soil. And I don't do bugs, insects, anything like that. Here I am watering my seedlings directly on top because they are babies and they need to be moist. In case I did not mention, we have been getting we've getting 99 degrees to 101 degree weather back to back here in Texas where I am. And I looked ahead because, as a plant mommy, I have to plan ahead, plan my rain so I can collect it and all that. We won't be getting any rain for at least 2 weeks. So this is my wood chip mulch. It's just chips of wood. I'm putting that over the compost. Not the compost. I'm putting that over the fertilizer. All right, so because the weather's so hot, like I mentioned, over 100 degrees, I just give them a little taste. Now, I know you're not supposed to water plants above. I literally just did that because it's so hot. I don't know if it's wrong. If it's wrong, please comment below because I don't want to do it to my babies. Now, I know I have too many pumpkins in this pot. There's 3 pumpkins in here. This was my first time planting pumpkins, and I got carried away, and I couldn't source down. I know they said get rid of the weaker one. I just couldn't do it, so I let all 3 grow. We'll see what happens with this. Right now, I'm just removing the yellowing or like dead leaves from the bottom. I already got rid of one right there. But yeah, this, I don't know. It's probably about 10 gallons. I got it from, no, actually, it's probably like 15 gallons. I got it from just like the store. It was a hamper that was mesh, so I just turned it into a pot. These are my beautiful, beautiful watermelons. They look so wonderful. I have them in a 10-gallon pot. That was my lettuce. Here I have my Jamaican callaloo, my Swiss chard, my squash, my jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, kale, my cauliflower, my bell pepper, long spinach, and eggplant. And that's actually a mini bell pepper, actually, too, by the way. I actually have a single watermelon in this pot, this 10-gallon pot, and a little bit of mulch on the leaves, but still beautiful. And then I also have 2 watermelons in this 10-gallon pot here. I initially started off with grow bags. I've now shifted over to, I had plastic initially, now I'm using fabric. So you'll see a lot of these go into fabric bags instead. All right, guys, see you next time.